Hey guys, first vlog back on the Digicam, and it's raining. Like, are you serious? My hair is gonna frizz, and it looked so good this morning, so I hope it doesn't frizz. But I put tinsel in it, if you can see it. But I'm waiting on the bus. But I got a car yesterday. I'll try and show you when it's not raining. But it's so tough. It's so tough. Y'all don't even know. But I can't drive it yet until I get a parking pass. And then I'm not allowed to drive it every day. But that's okay. I don't know where the freak this bus is. And I just need it to stop raining. Like, please. Oh, the cheese! What'd you say? Like, the light in its eyes. I already did this.
This is not our job. We're doctors.
That's creepy. Wait, why is she kind of sad? Why? She's sad.
First outage with the car, and I've gotten yelled at a bunch of times because I suck.
It's not going well. It's about to be my car.
I made my first mod. It was red tire caps. He won't.
I ain't paying for nothing more expensive than some tire caps. $2.99.
He also said I drive too sucky to have mods on my car.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get Boba, so. Hey vlog. I'm about to go on my first date. He's on the way. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm meeting his mom. How do we feel?
I really don't care.
She's just a hater for real. Yep. I'm nervous. I'll come back soon. Hey guys. What? Say something.
What's up? What's going on?
Rap Mika. Yum. Okay guys. I just ate all my food. He's still eating.
Still working, bro.
I've like almost ate all my rice. He kind of thinks this sauce is spicy though.
A little bit, just a little bit. It ain't that bad.
Can you tell he's white though? Like,
I never noticed.
this is what I get for being in love with white. It's like, anyways. I miss Mickey Steelers. He kind of, I don't know. Also, he hates Chipotle. Hey guys, it's Summit, or day 2 of Summit. I didn't film day 1, but I got a new camera. So no more Digicam. I'm watching my sister's game. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her at 3rd. Shout out to my biggest supporter. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm playing in the Navy and Gold game soon. So like, it's like a game with all the commits. I'm gonna do great. I got it. I have confidence. Like, I'm really excited. It's gonna be really fun.
Hey guys, missed you. I haven't seen y'all since California. It's Jill again, in case y'all forgot. This is Navy Gold Game 2024. Go Navy.
It's Lauren. I'm going to Longwood, and I'm on the gold team. Go gold.
Hi, my name's Ansley, and I'm on Team Gold.
Hey. Oh yeah, where are you going?
I'm going to school at South Carolina.
I'm Bella Moose. I'm in 2026. I'm uncommitted.
I'm Addison Tozek. I'm going to the University of Pittsburgh. Go Gold team.
I'm Sydney Rainford, and I'm going to East Carolina, and I'm on Team Navy.
I'm Victoria Peretta. I'm going to Randolph College, and go gold.
Oh,
I'm Kendall. I'm committed to Syracuse University. Go Navy. Hi, I'm committed to Francis Marion and I'm on the Navy team. Go Bradley G. I'm committed to Coker and I'm on the gold team.
It's Fami. I'm committed to IUND and I'm on gold. Go gold.
Boo gold. Boo gold.
Boo Navy.
I love your GoPro.
Thanks.
I forgot I'm going to UNC, baby.
Hey guys, new season, new team. Introducing everyone.
Coach Darrell, the assistant coach.
Riley Gary.
Sherry, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Grace Terry. Who's on here? Oh, this is cute.
Hi, I'm Lauren Sexton.
Come here. No, it's not a fan.
Is that a camera?
Yep. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Deja. Oh.
Okay, I see.
Freaking punch her. Oh no.
What's your name?
Carly. I'm being the pitching line. I'm the pitching rubber. Grace Terry.
No way. But the way the water came off though.
Yeah,
it's
it just rolled off.
yeah. Don't even worry about it.
Oh, Valentine, how you feeling today?
God, watch.
That wasn't even terrible.
That was my best one yet.
That was like a... that was like a...
Hey, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Riley. Is this a camera?
Yep.
Hi, I'm Riley.
Hi, I'm Riley.
Go get Maya. Did that put you in a trance? Oh my god.
Oh, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. I'm Maya.
Hello guys, my name is Brooklyn Moon.
It's like a gimbal. It can like.
Oh my god, it's... Wow.
That's creepy. It looks like
This is sick. Wait, send me your YouTube channel. I'm gonna follow it.
I will.
wait, you post vlogs?
Yes.
Oh my god, I need this. Stay swaggy. I love that. That was a great picture, Reese. Thank you.
You're so goated.
Oh my god, stop!
There is no way.
This is the vlog.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, hey, I'm Jaden. Is it like a recording thing?
Yes.
I've never seen that before.
Isn't that so cute? My dad doesn't listen to mine when he
She does vlogs. We're gonna be in her vlog now.
Yeah.
And like, I have actually like mics at my house. Like,
Really?
Like, mic up
My dad has.
Can we mic each other up?
Yes, my dad has actual mics too. Like he mic'd us up 2 summers ago, and it was so fun.
Yes. So
And it's during fall, so like nothing actually matters.
yeah, like we can just do whatever. We
Yeah.
can actually have fun.
because it's fall.
Yeah, I love that.
Yes,
I like fall. It's so relaxing.
it is,
I
and
need it.
it's like not
good-
week long
It's a
tournament.
good breather.
Yeah.
My skin is like.
Did you play in those Cali tournaments?
Hey guys, first day back with the camera at school.
Hey! Happy it's fixed. Today we're doing our interviews.
Let's hope it goes well.
Probably won't. I haven't studied at all what I'm gonna say or anything. Hashtag if there's a will, there's a way.
Interview fits.
Do we got this on?
PTSO. Ooh.
Bro,
Why the fuck does Lizzie have an iPad? Yes. It's for my vlog. Hey everybody.
Look at everybody.
Hey guys, bench max today. Might die. Oh shoot! Hey! Oh shoot, Liz. Oh. Embarrassing.
Every song is your song. Bro, Carolina's killing me.
Oh shoot.
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. When you're stuck like that,
Let go.
Get that Pagan. Let's go.
Oh, get a little camera shot.
Oh, just a little. Carolina. How much did you just?
I just hit freaking 95. I haven't done that, like, dude, since like I lost weight, and I'm just feeling great. And I almost passed out. Like, I was pushing so hard.
And she did.
I'm feeling pretty good.
And did.
Help.
How we feeling?
This one goes out to my girl. This one goes out to the girl that's on the cheer team that keeps running her mouth about me, but won't say anything.
I know who it is.
Post up, dog! Post up! You know where I live! Like, I'm being so pro.
Make sure there's no pause.
F-R-E-E.
Make it free. I mean, I ain't got no word, got no.
S-I-N-G-L-E again.
Okay, you're done.
Come on!
Up.
Embarrassing.
What did you get? I got a calm little 75.
Wait, are you unloading?
I got 65.
I don't know. Right now she's at 85, gang.
85. I got a calm little 90.
That's not her.
I got 70.
What'd you get? I got 70.
What'd you get?
60.
What'd you get? 60. What'd you get, Liv?
95.
Not Liv. Ooh.
What the fuck is up? It's Brandon fucking Simpson in this bitch. We got another vlog camera. Your future homecoming king. If I don't win, delete this. Your future homecoming king. If we don't win, delete this. We got the next Fear Factor, Brady Kennedy. We got the next Fear Factor, Carter Edwards.
Camera.
We lit in this bitch. We not lit in this bitch. Where are the students? I see a section, I don't see students. 50% of the equation. Oh, yo, Alex is here. This is a legendary ass duo right here, bro. I'm knowing.
Hey, vlog! We vlog. Say what's up to the vlog. Hey, say hey to the vlog. How's your collarbone? Say hey to the vlog. What up, vlog? How's your collarbone? So cute. Hey, we got Shay Big Dick up in here.
Hi, vlog. I don't want to be here.
We vlogging at the football game.
Yo, put J7 on the slant right now. I'm going to tweak. I'm gonna have a brain aneurysm.
This is Brady. He bruised my hand when he dapped me up after he said he voted me.
Goal on the 5-yard line for Cape Fear.
We talk about Harper all day.
What, the vlog?
And he brings